What's up, y'all? It's your boy Inspired. Now today, I want to talk about 3 things that you should keep in mind on a daily, okay? Without further ado, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspired team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Number 1, and that's a choice. Whatever choices you make in life, stick to it and don't give up. You know, eventually you'll pull through and eventually you get to your destination. Number 2, y'all, and that's commitment. Look, whatever choice you make sure that you are committed to the decision that you're making. Number 3, y'all, and that's result. Just remember, first is a choice, second is your commitment, and third is your result. Keep that in mind for whatever it is that you're doing in your life. And I guarantee you'll accomplish a lot of things. I see you. If you're watching this video, I want you to know that you have greatness in you and you are a champion. Alright guys, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspired team where we get better, do better, and be better.